Alright, y'all, we're going to make some curry chicken today. So we're going to start by washing it with some lemon juice and water. This can get a little graphic. Some people don't like raw meat, so you can skip this portion if you already got it or what have you. But again, we're going to start by cleaning the meat, and then I go ahead and dice it, cutting off any fat or muscle, anything like that. I'm sure a lot of you already know this is for those who do not. So you can go ahead and just place those diced pieces back into the lemon water as you're waiting. I'm going to leave all the seasonings in the description for you guys below. Normally I would put them in the video, but I'm just going to put them in the description. I feel like it'll be easier for you guys to read over for later use. So we're going to head and season until our heart's content. You can add more or less based off of your taste buds. Because I personally just season until the ancestors tell me to stop. Again, season to your preference. Then we're going to go ahead and mix it. You can use a spoon if you like. I prefer to use my hands because I don't like washing extra dishes. I pre-dice all my veggies, but here are the potatoes. We're going to run some water to get the starch out. So at high heat, we're going to go ahead and add our oil to the pan. Add as much as you like. I'm just adding enough to coat the bottom. We're going to go ahead and add curry powder first. And that is just going to help the curry stick to the chicken better. Then we're going to go ahead and add our chicken after the curry has gotten like a golden color. And then here, as the chicken starts to get done, it'll have a little bit of oil or sauce left at the bottom of the pan. And you want that because we want a little bit of gravy here. But go ahead and add your potatoes. I pre-diced them, like I said. Whichever way that you prefer your potatoes, you can go ahead and cut them. Again, they will be soaking up moisture, so you want to make sure you add some moisture back. I did go ahead and add onions and butter here. That's just for flavor mostly, but again, I do pre-dice all my veggies. Most of them, like, you know, my green peppers and onion, are pre-diced and put in the freezer for later use so that I can just take a little bit out and use them as needed. It saves on spoilage, or it helps with spoilage of food. So we're just going to go ahead, and after we add the bell peppers and a little bit of water, the potatoes are going to soak that up. So we do want to add some more seasoning as well. Because again, it does take a lot of that moisture out. And again, it soaks up a lot of salt, oil. So you want to add a little bit extra back. It should look a little like this if you've added potatoes, or if not, there should be a little bit of gravy. Either way, we're looking at this here. Looks amazing. Perfect. This is the final product. We got some rice and peas, some salad, and some pickled cauliflower. That's just my personal thing. You can eat it however you like. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.